I'm going to be showing you how to enable cookies on Google Chrome. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first step is to open Google Chrome. So once you're in Google Chrome, you should see something like this. Just look at the top right where you can see the three-dot button. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you need to find settings. So it is right below help. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you need to find privacy and settings or privacy and security. So it is right below autofill and passwords. Just go ahead and select that option. Now you need to find third-party cookies. So as you can see, I have blocked third-party cookies, but since we tried to enable cookies, just go ahead and select the first option. So this is right here. Just go ahead and select this. Go back and again tap on, and now select site settings. So you can also tap on site settings to find third-party cookies, which is right here, and do the same. So in this way, you can successfully enable cookies in Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.